Steph, you must forwards machen. You have to go on quickly. There's not much wind left, huh? Whee!
So hello people, welcome to Kite Finder, and we're on another magnificent place in the Swiss Alps, and you probably ask yourself, how do we get to these beautiful places? Well, for that we got Jonas.
Hi, I'm Jonas Langweiler. I come from Switzerland and that is my walk place.
Ah, beautiful. So Jonas is showing us all these beautiful places. If you want to get to the most beautiful places in Switzerland, you can click on this link over here, and it will show you how you can get in contact with Jonas, so he can show you all the beautiful places around. And yeah.
And I push you for the next level to come on like this mountain, to come on 3000 meters with the kite, and you don't never use a ski lift. You have a kite.
Ah, beautiful. So we came down from 15 meters below sea level in the Netherlands. Now we're gonna go up above 3000 meters.
It's perfect.
Sounds pretty good. Sounds bubbly. And also Jonas is gonna tell us a little bit more what kind of gear you can really use in the mountains.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna show you a little bit more about that, but I'm too excited to stay here. So let's go kiting, Jonas.
Let's go.
Can you show us the difference between the Hyperlink and you have got a nice 11-meter Blizzard?
Yeah. Yeah, so for sure the big difference will be when you are on the top of the mountains and you are maybe 3 times more wind. It's the safety that you can pulling down with 2 fingers. You can landing really easy.
Ah, okay.
And you have never a tangle.
No?
I can packing the kite by maybe 40 knots, packing the kite like this. And I can packing it really easy. That is the big difference. But other big difference is for sure the loops. I will show you. When you are in the steep mountains, maybe 40 degrees, you need to have a kite which you can looping very fast, and like this, then you can go really steep mountain. Yeah, and the handling is really easy. It's a little bit the same how the old Frenzy or the Summit. It's a little bit different because we have now only one kite for wide ups and backcountry and everything, and that is for sure really nice to have a kite like this, which you have a really good safety, which looping very fast, have a lot of power by very low wind, and you can go everywhere when you will.